everybody, my name is Lewis and today we're going to be doing a Hot Wheels video with this. I have to go down here into there.
The first car that will get in will actually go in this, and this is a launcher if I show you. So you pull this red bit here, you see.
And then it will just shoot the car.
And you see.
It doesn't go that far.
Launch car. So the first car that will go in, that's it can launch. So this is what's going to happen. This is what's going to happen. It's going to go under this Nerf gun through the aiming, like the bit that you grab, underneath this Nerf.
And maybe hit the ants. Maybe?
Probably.
Hello, Mr. Ant. You must die.
This is a funny bit. This is the scooter's going to go under. We actually had to have a seahorse hold it up.
And then it will come through here.
Because it broke its car. It's going to go through there. But the first car, like I said, will go in the launcher. But the second car will go underneath there. So yeah.
Let's go.
So let's see the first car.
Nice green Ford GT.
Lime green.
Yep. It's a bit chipped. Very. And
Yeah.
if you notice, it's got this nice headlights and these little two pieces here.
So yeah, the aim is to hopefully get it through there. Oh, and if you saw our other videos, I hope you liked them, the trampoline tricks and the other Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
And this is Lewis's channel. I have a channel, it's called Caramel and Molly.
Yes,
And
you
you should subscribe to Butterfly and Pretty, Dane the Kid, Epic Phoenix Gaming, and yeah. So 3, 2, 1. That made it through. But as you see, like I said, the first car will go in. If you can see it right there, oh, and there he goes, launched it right at the camera.
Yep.
So here it is, beautiful car. Okay. Next car, Lewis.
Number 6. We've had this in a different video, but I couldn't find anyone. But I choose this one because it looks cool.
Yep.
I thought for a second I thought they were like guns.
So we're gonna put that, so you know what car it is if you saw the other video. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, it slowed down. Let's try that again because I think it actually hit the gun. Let's try that one more time. If it doesn't work, then 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that one's out.
Out of the race.
Out.
Next one. You've seen this in another video as well.
So that's a nice green emerald. It's like turquoisey.
Yep.
And it has a spoiler, nice looking spoiler, as he will show you. So yeah, 3, 2, 1.
And half makes it.
Half makes it. We will count that.
Still counts.
It still counts because it did make it. It's just that one. It has the spoiler. The spoiler keeps it. So these are the last 2. And after this video, we will maybe do another video because this one is not that long. So yeah.
And this one is another Gran Turismo one. And it's very cool. With the
spoiler. Oh,
the spoiler.
You see there's like some stripes on the side actually.
Yeah. And it looks like a face and a really angry face.
Kind of looks like a bird. But yeah.
Oh yeah, the wings.
So 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's slowing.
And does count still? Cause it
kind of
counts like.
Say in the comments below if you think that counts, because it did make it.
So I'll just put that like half there. And last of all, the video one again. We've had this in the Need for Speed. Need for Speed car. You love it, don't you? You love it. So
3, 2, 1.
racing back.
And that made it perfect. And there goes Lewis. He's going to launch it. As you see, pull back the red. Bow.
It nearly hit the Gran Turismo car. Hope you enjoyed the video and
Comments down below if you think that car counts. And don't forget to subscribe and like.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.